Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a heads up. I rebranded to the Silver Sprout in April and then life got in the way. And today my eyes are dilated and I bought 3 pounds of morels from this awesome place in Oregon. So I'm gonna be sauteing them here on the kitchen. But kind of what's most important to me is for you to know that this is fun for me. I don't have to sit here and do videos, but I do love to cook, and I do love to cook plant-based, and I know how hard it is for anyone who is over 50 to change their lifestyle, their eating pattern. It can be hard. So anyway, that's kind of my fun stuff, is cooking food, sharing technique, sharing some things I found, like these amazing morels today that I'm gonna have fun with. More food to come. Let's make life delicious, shall we? Let's make life delicious.